Friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to know how many notifications received today. Okay, it is very simple and Android 12 and above mobile phones default installed an application called Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So just open your settings. Here you can see Digital Wellbeing. You can see here that application. You can not see in your applications. Go to settings. Okay, simply open your settings, then scroll up, then you can see option of digital well-being and parental controls. Just open that. Here you can see how many times you used your phone, unlocked your phones, and you can see the notifications. Today I received 98 notification and 51 times I unlocked my phone, and here you can see the usage details. Okay, also you can tap here, then you can see the previous week usage. Okay, so you can easily identify how much time you are using on your mobile phones. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.